Ha?
Maganda yun.
Thank you for waiting. Can I borrow? I would like to dedicate this song
May mabigyan.
to Madam's family. Yes, thank you for cruising here by the friends.
Thank you
Okay.
too.
And now, then is near. I saw the face, the final curtain. My friends, I still keep, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I live life as full. I've traveled in every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did undo, I saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew, but I give up more than I could do. But to be right,